Okay, here's the kitchen in pseudo progress. Nearly done. You see how high the microwave is? Okay. And there. And here's the fireplace. And now pan around one more time. Say, ooh la la. Say they messed up the countertop again. So we have to get a new one again. There's our new windows. And here's the dining room, and there's Kieran's fingers. And there's the entry to the laundry room, or the basement. There's a wall and my shadow. And there's the hallway.
Hello.
And now we'll loop around one more time. Oh, oh, and there's the fireplace. And the doors. Alright, that's the new kitchen. Hey, hey. Alright, they're crazy. Okay.